Alright guys, this is a NIO stock emergency update. And if you take a look at the price, I mean like holy crap, 5.88 back to like 52-week lows around that level. And this is quite eerily similar to a price action way back when it was in the 30s. And this is quite dangerous, I think. We are holding a very thin line, which is this line right here, this blue line. And if we don't hold it, then we might be looking at much lower prices. Now, stick with me. Don't think, hey, Mr. P, you're bearish or whatever. I mean, like, there's always a reason behind this. I want you to take a look. And by the way, there's some big news coming out of China. We'll talk about that in a bit. But in this video that I released way back like 2 years ago, all right, January 21st, 2022, I talk about the price action is very similar. Let's have a listen, all right?
This thing's gonna fall off a cliff, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. Come down, kick on this door, right? It got, it bounced back. Kick on the door again, and then it bounced back. Kick on the door again, and got bounced back. So you have to imagine that this is a beautiful foot, or you're knocking on this door. What do you think is going to happen if they knock on this door again, right? Well, we might bounce, but what might happen is the door might finally give away. And if it does give away, then that just means that, we're going to be going much, much lower. And if we take a measured move.
All right, so this was back when NIO stock was at $29. And this why I'm showing you guys this is because it looks very similar, man. Look at that. Look at how similar this looks. All right? And it looks like this is like sort of using the same analogy. If you have like hammers, I don't think I can find hammers, but maybe let's do yeah, let's try to find a hammer. Let's go with a fist, all right? Let's go with a fist. So if you think about a fist, you got a fist right there trying to punch through, right? And then you got another fist over here that's trying to punch through. And then another fist over here that's trying to punch through this door. Could be possible, all right? Although I don't want this to happen. It could be possible that we're going to head down maybe to this level. I mean, this is pretty scary. I mean, like, holy crap. I don't want NIO to head down there. I want NIO to go up. But that is what we're looking at, all right? Fingers crossed that we go up, but also understand that it's possible that this thing might break and go down below. And this, going back to the video I showed you guys, that was back in January 2022. That was when NIO stock was like way back. I mean, like, let me try to find you where it was. Oh, okay. Yes, we got it. It was like right here somewhere. Let's go to 4 hour. 4 hours is much better, I think. Yeah. Here. That's when I made that video. Right? I made that video when it was like over here. And I talked about the hammer. Let me just zoom in for you guys. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Zoomed in too much. Yeah. Hammer. Boom. Broke through the door. Damn, look at that. And it rushed down from like 30, 29-ish down all the way to like 20, man. Holy crap. That was a violent break through that door. And it was also holding a thin line just like this. So this is eerily similar. Deja vu, maybe deja vu, I don't know, perhaps. And then there's some other Chinese bullshit news that came out, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. I think it's 333-30799 ST Zhuojiang. Yes, this guy. Shit. All right, man. Fuck this guy, man. So like apparently this company, all right, it's halted. All right, it's halted. But another scandalous act. Apparently this company was faking all their numbers, and the Securities Commission said, hey, we're gonna like halt your ass, and basically yeah, basically these guys are gonna get halted. Shit, yeah, not looking too good. Not looking too good. And yeah, they've been halted for quite a while, but today, the Securities Commission said they were faking the numbers. Take a look at this stock, man. They used to be at 200-ish RMB. Now, even with all these down days, and then even bounced up, and then now at like 50, but then it's gonna be halted and delisted and gone forever. And they had a market cap of 5 billion RMB, man. Holy crap. So this is some crazy BS here in China. Obviously, not super decent good news. All right, I would not say this is very good news. And then if you look at the Chinese stock market, man, everybody's like, here in China, everybody's like, oh my God, just let us like have a good Chinese New Year, man. I mean, like, they won't even let us have a good Chinese New Year. We gotta see the stock go down every single day. Fuck that. F that, man. Yeah. I saw this one video by this other famous YouTuber, content creator here in China, who just really tries to explain why the market's going down. He talks about how he had 4 friends, and then one of them invested in real estate and got absolutely screwed. And then he's still rotten end home, still has to pay the mortgage. House, there's no house, there won't ever be a house. And then the second friend bought stocks, bought Chinese equities, and then from 1 million down to 200K, basically. 1 million down to 200K, okay. And then, but the first friend lost everything. All right, basically, and still owes the bank money for the mortgage for the house. And then you got the third friend who, he had a third friend who went into the restaurant business, put 1 million into the restaurant business and lost everything. The restaurant went under because business was bad in the Chinese economy. And then you got and basically went to zero. All his money went to, was wasted. And then he had a fourth friend who went into online sort of like TikTok stores trying to sell stuff, but then he got hit with a counterfeit kind of ban, and he got screwed and owed suppliers and also had penalties of several million. So that was kind of bullshit. But here, if you take a look at the Chinese stocks, oh my God, look at that. We had some pretty bullish days, but this was really when they said no more shorts, yay. But then all of a sudden, Evergrande BS comes out, and then just down. Yeah, not looking too great. Taking a look at the long-term perspective, we're still in a downtrend, but I've said that this is probably going to hold. So hopefully, I don't know, we get back here, and then this is the hard floor with multiple taps. Hopefully this thing holds, man. Look at that. We got multiple taps over here. Yeah. Multiple taps over there. NIO stock. Man. NIO stock, man. Just makes you sigh, man. If you look at the long term, weekly, let me get rid of all these fists over here. Still looks quite bearish, man. I mean, like, just the overall downtrend, man. Looks like we might head down to this level-ish, whatever, this level, $5-ish. Look at that. If we zoom in, okay, let me zoom in for you guys. This downtrend line, right? Tap over here, tap over here, tap over here. If we tap again, that's like $5. And then the absolute basement floor is around 472 from the gap back here. This is a daily gap back here. Take a look. Take a look at the daily gap. Where is it? There, right there. Daily gap right there. So maybe if this does not hold, then it could be possible that we might head down lower. I hope we don't, okay? I hope we do not head down lower. That sucks if we head down lower, man. Crap. Oh, crap. Yeah, this does not look too good. This does not look too good. Man, what the hell, man? This is so frustrating. Yeah, and then also the other stock, the penny stock that I invested in, and I got ass wiped. Got screwed in the butt. This guy, man, SXTP. Oh my god, they came out with dilution and just chopped us in half, basically. Yeah, shit. Look at that. Man, brutal. Brutal. Suffering brutal losses from NIO stock and also other stocks. Yeah. And, yeah, what can I say, man? I mean, like, this does not look too good. We are holding this thin line, and you can arguably say that we broke below it already. Man, but yeah, hopefully we turn around. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.